Is your iPhone's Wi-Fi disconnecting again and again? Or is Bluetooth not working properly? In this video, I'll show you how to reset your network settings to fix these problems in just a few simple steps. First, keep one important thing in mind. Resetting your network settings will remove all your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords. It will also disconnect your Bluetooth devices and reset your cellular network settings. So, if there's any Wi-Fi password you don't remember, make sure to save it before continuing. To check your saved Wi-Fi networks, open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap Edit in the top right corner and unlock your iPhone using Face ID or your passcode. Here, you'll see your saved Wi-Fi networks. If you need a password, tap the eye icon next to the network, then tap the password field to reveal it. Write it down in your Notes app or on paper. Now, let's reset the network settings. Go back to the main settings page, then tap General. Scroll all the way down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode, then tap Reset Network Settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will restart automatically. Once it's back on, all your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, VPN, and cellular network settings will be reset. You'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks and pair your Bluetooth devices again. In many cases, this simple reset fixes Wi-Fi issues, Bluetooth connection problems, and even weak cellular signal. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.